नमस्ते बिटिया। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। ऑनलाइन डिजिटल लेक्चर की सीरीज में आज हम एक और लेक्चर आपका लेने जा रहे हैं, जिसका कि टॉपिक है चॉइस ऑफ रिपर्टरी इन क्लिनिकल प्रैक्टिस, पार्ट सेकेंड। And before starting this lecture, I would like to say that we are all proud to be the part of best women university in India, that is JVW Jaipur, and I welcome you all in the repertory class on digital version 2.0 at JVW platform as per schedule provided by the university, having the best homeopathic college in Jaipur. As already discussed in the previous session, the choice of repertory does not depend upon the choice of the physician, but upon the nature of the case, the nature of the symptoms which the case has got. That is to say, for example, if the case is rich in physical generals, we are selecting various repertories like Bonica's and Therapeutic Pocketbook, Bogart's repertory, even Kent's repertory can be used in such cases. But when the case is rich with mental general along with physical general, then certain repertories are indicated, like Kent repertory of homeopathic materia medica, synthetic repertory, synthesis repertory, and Murphy repertory, where we have prominent mental generals. In case where pathological symptoms are predominant, the repertories which can be used are BBCR, NAR repertory, Rouse repertory portion. In the cases where we have a lot of clinical symptoms, then clinical repertories are used. For that, uh, we have a choice amongst various repertory which are having data from head to toe. For example, Borik's clinical repertory having data from head to toe, Clark's clinical repertory having data from head to toe, and we have some other repertories which have which are indicated for particular system. For example, Lee and Clark's cough and expectoration for respiratory system, Allen's repertory of fever, Lutz repertory of neuralgia for nervous system, Bell's repertory of diarrhea, dysentery, cholera for GI system. Then we have got certain regional repertories which are for particular organs. And the example is Barrage eye repertory for eye complaints, Gunsey repertory of throat for throat complaints, Lutz repertory of respiratory organ for respiratory complaint, Morgan repertory of urinary organ for urinary complaints. And any of all our repertories can also be used for reference in case there is any doubt in physician's mind. And when we have used the word reference, the biggest repertory which is used for reference is concordance repertory. These are specially used when the language of the patient is preserved as such. See, in the language of the patient, various rubrics are connected in a single sentence in a peculiar format, which itself gives an individuality. So such rubrics, such grand rubrics are found as such in this repertory because purity of symptoms are maintained in them. They are Puritan repertories. The example is NAR repertory Gentry's repertory, Robert's Sensation as if, and Ward's Sensation as if. Then another group of repertory is miasmatic repertory, which is used for miasmatic analysis of the case to know the miasmatic influence for the purpose of cure. And two repertories are worth mentioning for this work. One is a repertory of antipsoric by Dr. Bonningerson, which was the first ever repertory. Then Dr. R.P. Patel's repertory of chronic miasm and their cure. Now, in this modern world, the doctors have very limited time to give for analysis of the case. They have to prescribe very early, so they have to use certain softwares which reduces the time for analysis of a particular case. So, what type of software can be used for which type of cases, or what type of software has what type of modality, what type of characteristic that it can be used advantageously? We have to know for selection of proper software. Now, the software HomePath by Jawahar J. Shah. Its strength is the analytical tools for analyzing the repertorial result and reaching at similar. So this is the beauty of this software. It has got 250 books, including the complete repertory by Roger von Zenwood. So HomePath has got a complete repertory. The other software which is very famous is Radar by Frederick Schrenz of Belgium. Its strength is latest updated synthesis repertory with user-friendly search tools. The search tools are very beautiful. They uh, make it very easy for the physician to reach at the particular symptom whenever required. And the other thing is that it is continuously being updated because of uh, its base, that is synthesis repertory. So HomePath has got complete repertory in its base, whereas Radar has got synthesis repertory in its base. The third famous software in the field of repertory is the Mac repertory. It was introduced by David Witko of England. Now, its strength is the search engine to find reference from literature of our stalwarts. Search engine to find the reference of stalwarts from our literature. Then user has also freedom to combine different analytical strategies. So its strength is having the strengths of above both softwares, but in classical aspect. It has got not the most updated data, but the most classical ones, and the search tools to search amongst them. Then another software nowadays available is Kara or ISIS. It is no more known as ISIS because of the terrorist organization ISIS of Iraq. It is now known as Kara. It is useful uh, for the cases in general to analyze and get the results, get the choice of remedy, and has uh, uh, features like search tools, analytical tools, but not so developed as in HomePath and Radar. So now our conclusion that we have to take use of all above repertories as tools according to the problem in or the case beforehand, but should not have any fixed idea that we will use only this kind of repertory or the Boric repertory. So we have to justify our approach towards the case, and then only we can able we can or we will be able to justify our approach towards the case, and our practice will definitely flourish. So this is all in today's lecture. At the end of the lecture, I would like to give you an assignment which is in the form of subjective question. The question is, how will you select various software repertories on their modalities? How will you select various software repertories on their modalities? So this is all for today. See you in the next session with a new lecture. Till then, goodbye.